Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and you are on my YouTube nail channel. I'm going to transform these Bitten nails. I'm going to try hard to make it perfect and beautiful. Okay, as you can see, the nail plate is short. We will need to apply the nail extensions using the hard gel, but at first all we need to do is roll down cuticles and prepare the nail plate to the perfection. Some nail technicians don't make too much pressure on the pusher and don't push cuticles to the limit, and this is the common mistake, because this nail will lift it very quickly. And then the second common mistake, nail masters forget to remove the pterygia. This is the dead skin which is on the nail plate. Every client has this pterygia layer of the skin. It's like the tape or something can be peeled off. We are using the diamond drill bits, not special drill bit with the medium processing, which quickly is removing the pterygia. The nail file of 100 or 180 grit also is needed to remove the shine from the nail plate, because we need the perfect adhesion between layers, between the gel and the nail plate. So we need to lift up particles. So the next tool that we use is the scissors for cuticles and sculpting gel. We are working with the nail forms. Have placed the nail form on the nail and we are applying the gel on the length of the nail. You know guys, it's not easy to place the form for the beginner. You should use scissors and engrave the hole or the shape of the, which is similar like the edge of the nail, like the edge of the nail of your client. In this case, edges or tips of the nail are rounded, so I didn't need to engrave anything. We should apply 1 or 2 layers of sculpting gel and cure it in LED lamp in 2 minutes. After curing this gel, please make sure that it has polymerized to the limit, that the rays of UV light have penetrated deep into the depth of this product. After we are placing the gel paint, this gel paint is special for the French manicure. Why do I prefer using this gel paint? Just because it's maximum pigmented. When we are using gel polish, we need to apply more layers, and of course you will never apply such ideal manicure using the gel polish as using the gel paint. You can order this gel paint on shapeofnail.com with the best price you can find somewhere. Better price, and I'm sure you will never find the more profitable price than here. And of course we are using the other color of the gel paint. This is not so much pigmented gel paint. You can use any type for drawing such watercolor effect flowers. As you can see, I'm drawing on the already curved gel paint, such lines, and I'm drawing some lines for creating petals. Oh, sorry, I was mistaken. This was not already curved gel paint. This is the wet gel paint, and I'm drawing in the technique with the technique wet on wet, because we have two techniques. When the first one, when you are drawing on the wet gel paint, the second one when you are drawing on the already curved gel paint or gel polish. So we have different effects. In this case we have watercolor effect. We are using the top coat, and after polymerizing, remove the tacky layer, and using the acrylic paint mixed with water, we are applying thin elements, deco painting. In this case we should draw on not even on the tacky layer, on the dry surface. When we are using the acrylic paint, you should remember that we were drawing on the already dry surface. You should remove the tacky layer, and sometimes you should even to buff the nail plate. In this case it's much easier to draw, but in my painting I haven't buffed the nail before. I think it's easy for me to draw this way. We have something like the watercolor composition, the watercolor flower. It's not similar like one stroke technique flower. I think for spring it will be the good nail design. We have applied the top coat, removed the tacky layer, and placing some dots with the white gel paint. This will create the 3D effect for this nail design. You can also overlay this with the top coat, but you can be sure that this coat will not be ruined. It perfectly stays on the nail and shouldn't be curved with the top coat. The other nail were covering with the gel paint with the other color. Just take a look how I made the French manicure. What do you think about this nail design, guys? I think these nails are elegant. They turned beautiful, and the client is very happy, just because we have the greatest differences between what was before and what we have now. Nails are elegant, beautiful, Just take a look and you see that they are so amazing. Okay guys, all products and tools you can order on shapeofnail.com store. This is my store. I'm sending products my friends and clients all over the world about 4 or 5 years. So see you tomorrow guys. Bye.